Alright, so if you look at today's, we're going to be working on median.
You said what?
Median and range. Alright, so the two things when you're doing the median and range, I'm going to put your notes up here so you can see them. Median, you're going to cross off. Actually, before you do that, you're going to put them in order and then cross off. I'll show you how to do that in a second. The range is biggest minus smallest. So on the first thing, for all of these, the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to rewrite these so your numbers go from biggest to smallest. So you have 13, 14, 41, 43, 46. Make sure once you do them, you cross them off. You have 80, 82, 92, and 93. Okay, so now we have them all in order. So now, in order to find the median, what you're going to do is you're going to cross off from one end and the other. So we have one off of here, one off in the back, one in the front, one in the back, one in the front, one in the back, until we get to a middle number. Because 46 is by itself, that would give you your median. Now, in order to find the range, you have to take the biggest number, which is 93, and subtract the smallest number. So you have 93 minus 13. So the answer for that would be 80. Okay, now I want to do one more example with you.
I see them. I be seeing them in the hallway.
All right. If we look over here, we're going to put them from biggest or smallest to biggest. So we have 20, 25, 31, 37, 46, 64, 66, 73, 75, 94, and 96. The reason I cross them off is to make sure that I've used them all. So to find the median again, if you remember, we're going to do off the front and off the back until we get to a middle. Now, for this one, again, you'll see that we actually have a middle number. To do the range, once again, you take the biggest number minus the smallest. It's going to give you 76. Okay, come down here to number 2. We'll write number 2 in order. We have 22, 31, 37, 38. Cross these off. 41, 55, 65, 78, 85, and 98. So we've used them all. Find the median off the front, back, front, back, front, back, front, back. Now what you see is we have two numbers here. When you get two numbers, what you have to do is you have to add them up. Okay, it's going to give us 96. Then you'll take 96, and you'll do 96 divided by 2. That's going to give you 48. That becomes your median. So you take the two numbers, add them together, and divide that answer by 2. To find the range, you do what we've been doing, biggest minus smallest, and you'll get a range of 76. Okay, do the rest of this paper, send me a picture of it, email me a picture of it, whatever you got to do.